Hi, hello people. Very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. Hope everybody are doing good. And as predicted, our levels are being hit on a daily basis. So I haven't changed anything in the chart. This is last week's Friday's chart. So this was plotted on Friday evening. So when market closed at 17,158, this was our first target, which is going to be 17,340. That has been hit today. And the next target is around 17,450 to 500. That was the target given on Friday. So people can check on Friday's video as well to check our levels. And this supply zone has been entirely taken out because couple of days has been rallying above this resistance zone. That is why I gave the first target as 17,340 and 17,450, 500 and 600 levels at the max. So what is expected today for tomorrow? That is what we are going to see now. So right now we are in a daily time frame. We'll have a small look at weekly chart because the weekly had a strong closure above the resistance line, the supply zone indeed, and we'll go to the smaller time frame. So the smaller time frame, uh, we'll go to 1 hour chart. So 1 hour, let's see what is happening in 1 hour. So in 1 hour chart also we are witnessing a clear bullish candle. If you see today the market opened at around 17,243. That was a good gap up opening and there was a good fall towards it made a 90 points down movement, downside movement towards 17,154 and again the momentum carried over and it made a top of 17,356. So throughout the day bulls has taken care and market closed at 17,300 plus. So in daily chart exactly in hourly chart exactly we have closed at the resistance point. Let's see like if there is any gap down opening or if there is any bearish view, then this level which is going to be 17,287, that is this candle stop will definitely act as a support because if you consider the price action structure, we can take this low or this low. We can take this low because the current swing is started here. So it made a low, high, small higher low, again it went up, then this becomes the higher high for this swing and there was a small drop and again it has moved to higher high. So if there is any chance of gap down or any fall, then first support is going to be around this level, which is going to be 17,288 towards 17,240. So this 40 points will be acting as a support for tomorrow. If that is getting broken, then comes 17,140 levels. So if 17,280 is taken out, then comes our next target. The below target is going to be around 17,140. So market will definitely it has to come towards this level to continue the rally in the upside. So market has to come here if there is a flat opening. If this level is getting broken, which is 17,280 is getting broken, then we can expect a rally towards 17,240. If still the bearishness is continuing, then we can expect 17,030 towards 17,000 levels. And then there can be a bounce like this. If the market is bouncing from here itself, then the movement will be like this. We have to wait and see whether it is going to be a double top for this current rally or if it is going to continue like this and move towards 17,450 and 500 in coming days. But for tomorrow, definitely this yesterday's high will definitely act as a resistance. If it is taken out and sustained in the first 15 minutes, if it is taken out in the gap up and if it is sustaining, then this view or this prediction will go wrong. If in case we are giving a gap down opening tomorrow morning, then 17,140 is an easy level to achieve, and below that we have a target which is around 17,030 or 17,000, we can say the round figure, or we can say like psychological support, which is present around 17,000 levels. If in case, if you are opening gap up, what will be the scenario is definitely market will go towards the first level of resistance is around 17,388 and 17,440. That will be the first target. We are at 17,330. The first target, if we are opening gap up, then this level. If you go and see, so I'm marking this level, which is going to be 17,410 to 415 will be the next target. So we need to wait and watch. Again, each and every levels are going to be resistance. If there is any reversal, there can be a small fall, not a crash, but small fall for making a higher low. Else, we are still bullish, because if you see the daily candles, it is continuously making higher highs. It is giving a gap up, and the entire day the bulls are taking control. If you take the rally from last uh, 17th, from 17th, if you see from July 17th, the market started the rally, and it has been like uh, we are close to 1.5 months rally. It has been closely, it is in a bullish rally. And if you see the data, that is FIIs and FPI data, almost for 9 months, past 9 months, market has been falling, and FIIs and FPIs has been a net sellers, and only after 9 long months in the month of July, that is the last month, they have turned net buyers. The numbers are not going to be big, but still after 9 long months, they have bought for somewhere around 6,700 crores. So this is one important thing which has to be noted, but we are nearing the descending trend lines resistance. So we need to wait and watch for next 200 points, whether the rally is going to sustain or the rally will change its direction. So that's all in Nifty's prediction. We'll move on to Bank Nifty. Before that, we'll go and check the Nifty's open interest chart. So like we'll see like where the bulls and bears are sitting. So definitely market has to be bullish. Let's see the data here in the ATM. So we are closed at 17,340, and if you look at the ATM levels, definitely right now 39,000 against 17,350 and 18,890 around in the support side. So right now we are having some good resistance, but if in case we are opening in the gap up, then definitely there can be a good rally towards 17,410 to, so that there will be some good sort of unwinding seen in the market. And if you see the round figure, which is 17,500 psychological resistance right now, it is having a huge resistance of 1,26,000 against just 11,967. And with this information, we can see definitely market will try to reach this area, which is around 17,500 levels. So 17,500 can be breached for this current week expiry, because definitely these levels will be like they'll be tested so that we can see Nifty touching 17,500 levels. Okay, let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, like Nifty, Bank Nifty is also looking clearly bullish, and I haven't changed anything in the chart. It is a Friday's chart. We'll go to the daily time frame and see like what are the levels. So Bank Nifty has already like broken this supply zone, and it has closed at 37,930. So 930 was the high, and we have closed at 37,900. So what is going to be the level for tomorrow? We'll see. So looking at the bullish rally, so the channel has already broken. So next comes the horizontal resistance. We'll see in the daily line chart of daily. So the next resistance is lying around this level, which is around 38,000. We'll mark the lines. I have told like multiple times, I have told about why we are looking at the line chart. So we are at 37,903, and the next resistance, potential resistance, is around 38,991, or we can say 38,000. 38,000 will be 37,991 seems to be a resistance. We can take the round figure 38,000. So if there is a resistance, if there is a heat in tomorrow's rally, definitely there can be a fall or a small retracement from this level. Usually the round figure 1,000 points, after 1,000 points rally, there can be a small fall or a retracement, we can say. Above that, another resistance, another daily resistance is lying around 38,185. So tomorrow's rally should be, or tomorrow's momentum will be between this 100 to 200 odd points. So 38,000 to 38,185 seems to be a resistance for tomorrow. If there is any gap up, and if we are near this 38,200, we can go for a short trade, which is we can take 38,200 put option with a stop loss of 38,350. That is going to be the stop loss in 15 minutes closure, and targets are going to be 38,000 and 37,780 will be the targets. So these are going to be this is going to be the call for tomorrow. We can go to the 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart today itself, between 115 to 215, sorry, 215 to 315, it was a doji. And if in case there is a good rally or a gap up is seen, 38,185 is the resistance. And if there is any reversal in 15 minutes chart, then we can take 38,200 put option for the target of 38,000 and 37,770. That is going to be the call for tomorrow. So we have an opportunity in Bank Nifty. In Nifty, we don't have a clear short trade, but in Nifty, we have a good trade. But if we are reaching this level in Nifty, 38,000, 17,540 tomorrow itself, that is going to be the opportunity. And 17,420, if it is reaching tomorrow, then it is an opportunity. Else, we don't have an opportunity in Nifty, but in Bank Nifty, we have a clear short option, because both the numbers 38,000 and 38,150 are going to be the daily resistance. So definitely there can be a small chance of retracement for this current rally. So that is the prediction for tomorrow. We'll go to the option chain. The option chain will change it to the Bank Nifty. So data looks bullish for tomorrow as well. For now, it seems like 1 lakh contract is open at 38,000, but still the other contracts are looking bullish, showing bullishness can continue for tomorrow as well. So if the bullishness is seen towards 38,200, then our call is going to be 38,000 put option, which with the help of 38,350 as the stop loss, or you can try when it is reaching towards the stop loss of 38,350, so that your risk will be very minimum, but your profit is going to be more. So wait for reversal. We have to take the call 38,200 put option only if there is a reversal in 15 minutes candle. Else we are not going to take the call. At 38,200 will definitely give a small trade at least. That is my prediction. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. So 38,000 seems to be a resistance for now, and next strong resistance is lying around 38,500, and 38,200 also is having some good enough number of call option writers. So the bears are sitting at with 42,000 contracts at 38,200 against just 3,900 contracts. Yeah. So let's see. Let's wait and watch for the gap up opening tomorrow or flat opening. Let's wait and watch. So today I have given one call in the Telegram channel. I'll see, like, before that we'll see one more stock. We'll see two stocks for the day. So the second stock, let me go with the first one, which is going to be Imami Paper Mills. So Imami Paper Mills has given a clear trendline breakout, descending trendline breakout at this level, which is going to be 153, and it went up, and again it came and retested, and it is successfully gone up above this level today. So keeping this level 145 in daily closure, we can go for a trade. If we are getting a chance at 158 for an entry, if there is any entry available at, if you are getting a chance at 158, just go for it. And targets are going to be 179 and 197, almost 200. This is going to be an important level. If that is taken out, then definitely we will be seeing 210 and 222 will be the targets. So 158 is going to be 158 to 160 is going to be the entry, with 145 as a stop loss, and which is going to be a small stop loss against its target 180, 200 and 220. So almost like three targets are there. Let me plot the targets. So this is the first target. This is going to be the second target. So 193 to 195 is going to be the second target, and third target is lying around our 215 levels. If that is taken out, then we can see a fresh rally, because we are very close to, will be very close to the all-time high. Yeah. And looking at the descending trend line breakout, and we are having the stop loss at this level, which is going to be 145 in daily closure. This is the stop loss. This is T1, this is T2, and this is T3. So that's all for Imami Paper Mills. We have one more stock to see. If there is any questions, we'll take it up. Yeah. So there is one more stock I have given in Great Eastern Ship, was the call given today morning. We'll see what is the conviction there. Yeah. So the call was given at around, let's see, like, where the call was given. Yeah, the call was given at 490 in the morning, and today itself the high was around 507. I'll plot the chart in daily time frame. So even in monthly, it is looking clearly bullish. So if you plot the descending trend line, so what has happened, if you can see, even if you're touching this line, the trend line has broken, or if you keep the resistance at this zone, now also the trend line has been broken. So the call was given at 490 today in the morning, and that's the result. And I believe there is some news. We are very nearing to the dividend as well. These guys are going to give 5 rupees 40 pies for dividend for a single stock. That one news also got triggered for this. And targets, talking about the targets, we'll see, like, we'll go to the weekly or monthly chart. So already we have closed above this supply zone. Yeah. So this supply zone has been already taken out. So the previous strong monthly resistance was lying around 485, and today in daily it has been closed above that. So next resistance we'll see in the line chart. So the next resistance, potential resistance, is around 500. If you see the top 506, and today's top was exactly at 507. So that is why the market reacted to this number and closed at 504. So just 3 points away from this potential resistance. If this is taken out, then we will be seeing 550 plus. So that is going to be the second target. And if that is also taken out, then there can be sharp rally because it is going to be an all-time above all-time high. Yeah. So that is the prediction for the second swing trading call. Above 550, the already previous all-time high is like 625. So we'll wait and watch above the 550. Once the levels reaches, I'll update this chart and we'll work on the next targets. So talking about the stop loss which is lying around this candles. Let's go to daily chart because the monthly it is having a huge amount of stop loss. The stop loss will be around 440. This candles 440 in daily closure. So because of reason being the previous this support, this has reacted to this level which is going to be around 440 towards 450 and 440. So here is where is the next potential support. So we'll have this as this stop loss and we'll wait for the targets. 500 next target is definitely 550. Above that we'll have our target of 600 and 625. Let's wait and watch. So that's all for today. So any questions? Yeah, so people were asking about the market league session which is going to come between September 26 and 30. So I couldn't explain on that day. So the agenda is like this. So we'll be having 5 days of session. This is going to be somewhere around 10 plus legends in, or we can say like good traders are going to take part and give their trading here, trading and in live. So first day there are traders like Rachit Seth, Jainesh Kaila. They'll be presenting sessions on these strategies, option strategy, construction and taking trade based on market condition, live trade. So power of iron condor versus straddle. I'll be talking on some automation. So and quantitative models, futures versus option trading, panel discussion will be there. And the next day we have few more people talking about other option strategies. Then there will be a panel discussion. Third day there will be some big traders who trade with huge capital like 50 lakhs, 30 lakhs. They'll be presenting their own strategies, and there will be a panel discussion as well. On day 5 there will be another round of strategies. All these will be presented with live trades. They'll be presenting it, and for taking part in this, I believe the fees was around 18,000, and uh, the people who are my subscribers, as I'm a speaker, so they have given some 85 percentage of some 85 percentage of discount for this 18,000 rupees. It was around 2,700 or something. If anybody is interested, please let me know. I can give you the discount is over. They gave discount for only 1 day, 24 hours. So if in case anybody is interested to learn these strategies, they can learn it for somewhere around 2,700. People can check out with me. Yeah, I can request for 1 more day for this 85 percentage of discount for this option conclave. Yeah. So that is all from the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the swing trading stock. If there is any questions, let me explain that. If nothing else, we'll wind it up for today. Okay, thanks all for the day. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Yeah. Take care. Bye bye.